In this video, you'll learn how to change the view type in Google Keep so your notes are organized in a way that feels more comfortable and efficient for you. Whether you prefer seeing everything laid out in a grid or stacked neatly in a list, I'll walk you through the simple steps and explain what each option actually does so you can decide what works best for your workflow. First, open your web browser and go to keep.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you normally keep your notes. Once the page loads, you'll see your Google Keep dashboard with all your existing notes, reminders, and lists. This main area is where the view type will change. So take a quick look at how things are currently laid out before you switch anything. That way you'll be able to notice the difference right away. Now look toward the top right corner of the Google Keep dashboard. You'll see a small icon that controls how your notes are displayed. This is the view icon, and it usually looks like either a grid of small squares or a stack of horizontal lines, depending on which view you're currently using. If you see a grid of squares, that means you're in grid view. If you see horizontal lines, you're in list view. The icon itself is also the button you'll use to toggle between the two. Go ahead and click that view icon. When you click it, Google Keep will switch between the two view types, grid view and list view. If you click and the notes rearrange into several columns, that's grid view. This layout shows your notes side by side in multiple columns, almost like a pinboard. It's useful if you have a lot of shorter notes or you're a visual person who likes to scan many items at once. On the other hand, if you click and your notes line up in a single column from top to bottom, that's list view. This layout is great if you prefer a more linear, structured look, or if you're working on a smaller screen and don't want your eyes jumping around. When you select your preferred view, the dashboard will update immediately. There's no save button and no extra confirmation step. As soon as you click the icon, Google Keep remembers that choice and applies it right away. Try switching back and forth a couple of times so you can see how your notes move and which layout feels more natural for you. The nice thing is you're never locked into one option. You can change the view type as often as you like, depending on what you're working on. If you suddenly feel like your notes look different or out of place, it's often just that the view type was changed. So it's a good habit whenever something looks off to quickly glance at that view icon in the top right and see which mode you're in. That's all there is to it. By opening keepgoogle.com, locating and clicking the view icon, and choosing between grid view and list view, you can customize how your Google Keep dashboard looks in just a second or two. Experiment with both layouts, see which one makes it easier to find and manage your notes, and don't hesitate to switch whenever your needs change.